Hello guys. Tagkuhan guys, butong guys. Hindi kayo butong guys. Kalami sa butong. Sabi tayong butong guys. Ta guys, hindi kayo guys. Ini agad butong. Harap talaga sa butong guys. Nam talaga. Ang daming butong guys, oh. Daming butong. Ang harap talaga. Talagang butong. Butong guys. Butong. Mantap.
Ada guys. Yo, apa?
One by one, they grabbed each other's legs, forming a long dangling ladder. Together, they tried to drag the vulture down, but even with all their combined strength, it wasn't enough. With a sudden burst of power, the vulture carried them into the sky. The meerkat suddenly found themselves on a roller coaster ride. Then, with a sharp tail whip, the vulture sent them flying in every direction. Even so, they refused to let go of the front. As the vulture swooped again, one meerkat just before being knocked away tossed the fruit to its neck. From there, they passed it along in midair.
The new Rosie and Teddy brain rock has a key secret, because if you look closely to this brain rock, you will see the brain rock Rosie is crying and Teddy is trying to console her. Like a study of the new Rosie and Teddy brain rock has a key secret, because if you look closely to this
Hindi bugnan butong na yung pagkakaon mo. Kaya tagyan ito bugna ko gini ha. Kaya bugnaw lamin kay kaunon ba. Ini kay kaunon kasi kay bugnaw na guys. Kalami guys. Kalami ang butong guys. Lumiag ta guys, kalami ka guys. Enjoy watching guys.